doing here? Boy is jumping on the trampoline. This is trampoline. Jumping on the trampoline. And what is this?
This is plane.
Plane. And what is plane doing?
Flying.
Yes, plane is flying in the where is plane flying?
Here.
In the sky. In the sky.
Sky.
Plane flies in the sky? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So plane is flying in the sky. Oh, what is bird doing?
But it flies.
In the bird also flies in the sky.
Sky.
Bird flies in the sky. Bird flies up. Okay. Next one. What is she doing? Look. Girl is cutting. What she's cutting? Cutting nails. Girl is cutting
Nails.
Yes, girl is cutting nails. And what is this girl doing? Look. Girl is
Look. This one.
This one. What is she doing?
Open scissor.
Yes, open scissor. What do you do with the scissor? What do we do with the scissors? Cut with the scissors.
Which scissor? Which here?
We cut with the scissors. So what is she doing? Girl is cutting paper.
Paper.
Cutting paper.
Cutting paper.
With the scissors.
With the scissors.
Girl is cutting paper. And next.
Paper.
Wow, what is she doing? Look at this girl.
Cutting cake.
Yes, she's cutting cake. It's her
knife.
Yes, it's a knife. She's cutting with the knife. It's her happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Do you cut cake on your birthday?
No cut, mommy.
No cut. Mommy cuts.
Yes.
Why? Why you don't cut?
Yet cut here, yet down.
Oh, you are scared of the knife?
Yes.
Okay, but no need to scare. You can cut. It is so fun cutting your cake.
Yes.
And now look at this boy. What is he doing? Boy is... You know this one. Boy is blowing candles. Say again, what is boy doing? Boy is
blowing.
Yes, boy is blowing candle. And what is this girl doing? Girl is See, girl is What is she doing? What is she doing? Girl is combing hair. Girl is
combing
hair. Girl is combing hair. And this one, what is she doing? Girl,
Brushing teeth.
yes, she's brushing her teeth. Wonderful. And now what is this boy doing? What is he doing with the towel? He's wiping.
Wiping.
Wiping hands.
Wiping hand.
Yes. That's